Hello students, in this class we will see 1 mark questions LBA for linear pair of linear equations in two variable chapter. It's a LBA for 2025-26. LBA means lesson based assessment. In the linear pair of linear equation we need this table, very important. Based on this 1 mark questions will be asked in different types. Just we'll recap and we'll move there. If the two lines has the ratios a1 by a2, so equations will be like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Means this is line 1, this is line 2. If their lines represented by these two equations, if the ratios are not equal, first two ratio, then the line equations are consistent, the intersecting line, and they have only unique or one solution. If all the three ratios are equal, then they will have infinitely many solutions. They coincident uh, coincident lines. These are intersecting lines. When all first two ratios equal or not equal to third ratio, then they are inconsistent equation. They are parallel lines, and they have no solution. This is very much important. Okay, we'll move to the LBA. If the lines drawn, these two lines, standard lines are there. They want to be coincident. When they'll be coincident, we just saw. If all the ratios are equal, then they are coincident. Same. If they want intersecting, means first two ratios should not be equal. You want to recap? Just check out here. Intersecting means first two lines ratios should not be equal. Okay. Practice this table very much. Anything that can be asked out of 9 combinations. If these two lines, see, same thing again come. If their first two ratios not equal, means they will have unique solution. Their intersecting line, unique solutions, consistent pair of equations. If the pair of equations have unique solution, then which is the correct? Unique means this one, because first two ratios will not be equal. You have to practice well to get this knowledge very well. Okay, the table. The lines representing these two equations are what? So we don't know. First find the ratios. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Minus 9 by minus 18 is 1 by 2. All ratios have become equal. Therefore, they are coincident lines. Okay, they are coincident lines because all ratios equal, right? They are coincident lines. The lines representing this again, so it's all based on the ratio of the a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. You have to be properly. You should understand this. Sixth one, let's see. Okay, sixth one. I'll not write the equation and all. I'll just pick the ratios here. So x coefficient is 1, so 1 by 2, and 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, minus 4 by minus 12 is 1 by 3. So first two equal and not equal to third one. First two equal not equal to third one means it's a parallel lines. Okay. Again, this has two equations, one equation, many, how much? We don't know. So let's see this. 2 by 2 is 1, minus 5 by 1 is minus 5, 4 by 8 is 1 by minus 1 by 2. So here first two equal, not equal, then it is having unique solution or one solution. How do we get it, sir? Quickly means you have to practice those many number of times until you become perfect in that table. Eighth one, lines represented by these equations are what? So I'll take equation ratios. Eighth one, x coefficient is 1, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 4 means minus 1 by 2. They are not equal. So they are saying intersecting lines. Ninth one, if pair of linear equations, these are into a graph, what type of lines? So I'll again solve this. X by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, minus 4 by minus 12 is 1 by 3. So first two equal and not equal to third one, it's again parallel lines. Then 10th one, Again, x by means 1 by 3 minus 1 by minus 2, 3 means again 1 by 3. 8 by 16 is 1 by 2. Again, it is not equal, right? So, when not equal, it's a parallel lines. 11th one. If they're inconsistent means always parallel lines, remember. 12th one. If they're coincident means all ratios should be equal. First take out the ratios. 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 equal to 3 by k. So you require these two or first two, what first and third, you get the k value. K equal to 2 3 is 6. So that is B option. Okay. 13th one. Same. Parallel means first two to equal, third not equal to third ratio. So let's see. 3 by 2, first A1 by A2, 2k by 5. You have to write all these conditions. I'm just giving you answers here how to calculate. See, for parallel lines, you have to write like this. For parallel lines, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. You have to write like this. Extract A1 A2 B2 A1 A2 B2 C1 A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 from these equations. Then construct like this. Therefore, k is equal to how much it becomes? K is equal to 5 3 is 15, 2 2 is 4. 15 by 4. Okay. We'll see the next questions. 13th is over. 14th one. Pair of equations coincident. Coincident means all ratios should be equal. Let's check out. 1 by 3, 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Not comes. 1 by 2 by 4, 1 by 2. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. 9 by 8, 1 by 2. Yes, this is the answer. Because we know how do you write is for coincident lines A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Condition you have to write and then write it. So you will recollect and apply. 15th one. The incorrect statement among the following. Incorrect statement. Please read the keywords properly. So, okay. What is incorrect statement? If lines are parallel, then the equations have no solutions. Exactly. This is the first hit we got the answer. Other things you can just check out. In coincident, infinitely many solutions, it is true statement. For intersecting, have unique solution, that is also true statement. Perpendicular lines means at least they'll touch at one point, right? Perpendicular means they have solution. What is given is no solution. So it's not correct. So if parallel lines means incorrect statement, right? I'm sorry. Parallel lines, no solution, that's also correct statement. This is the answer. B. Because perpendicular means they will intersect at one point. Intersect at one point means that is the solution. But they are given here in no solutions. Okay. 16th we'll see. For what value of x, y satisfies this equation means you just put x and y in the left hand side. Check out for right hand side. If I put x is 5 here, y is 2 here, how much you get? 5 2 is a 10. A option 5 2 is a 10 plus 3 2 is a 6 equal to 16 equal to RHS. Yes, 5 and 2 are the correct. In the first sheet only we got the answer. We'll see the next set of questions in the next class. Thank you.